of the top competitors from Asia. Former American Open champion, Asia Oceania silver medalist, the Asian Games bronze medalist, Maýagözel Ekäýewanyň. 102 her target here, a lifetime best 112. And good to see Turkmenistan here. She did not compete in the Asia Oceanic Champions, and Turkmenistan are one of the best powerlifting nations in Asia. They were not present in Korea. That might have been for logistical reasons, but they simply weren't there. But they're here, and they're welcome to be here in Georgia. Well, you know what? Georgia's closer
1 minute
than Korea. 102. This for the lead. She competing for the open medals here. And at 102, Maýagözel has got it. That's a good lift. 102. So she leads the open 79 kilo final. 3 out of 3. We've not had a miss yet. And out of